Hey there! Welcome! This video will demonstrate how to work with contact segments in the TextPeak platform. You will learn what contact segments are, how to use existing contact lists to form new segments, and how to apply contact segments in your SMS campaigns. Contact segments are contacts picked from different lists based on certain criteria. You can use segments in campaigns just as you use contact lists. You can find segments on the Segments tab under Contacts. Let's see how you create a new segment. Click Add Segment. In the window that opens, choose all or some of the properties for the contacts to be included in the segment, the lists they come from, their country of origin, or the campaigns in which they clicked on the links. After you click Next, you will get the preview of the number of contacts your new segment will contain. Enter its name and description. Then click Save and Finish. When the segment status changes to Ready, you can use it in SMS campaigns. You will find contact segments along with other contact lists while creating a new campaign. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.